Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to unbox and swatch the Gallo 48 watercolor set. This is their largest collection and I have been looking forward to share my first impressions with you. Now, if you saw my last review on the Gallo Earth Tone palette, you probably noticed I wasn't thrilled with it. Honestly, I did not enjoy the colors as much as I expected, and I felt like some of the paints looked different in the pan compared to what was shown online. After that video, someone kindly left a helpful comment with tips for using Gallo paints. Thank you so much for that. It gave me a lot to think about. But instead of going for their signature collection, I changed my mind. Here's what happened. My kids asked my husband to get them paints to make slime. My husband, not fully understand what slime involved, gave them my Daniel Smith watercolor tubes. Yep, mama's precious paints. You know that moment of silence in the house that just too quiet? I went to check and instant heart attack. My Daniel Smith paints everywhere. On the carpet, walls, clothes, even inside the slime. Long story short, my husband promised to buy me a replacement set. And then Eid came around, which is like Christmas holiday. And instead of cash gifts, I told him all I want is watercolor. So originally I was thinking about the Gallo signature collection, but since he reminded me of the Daniel Smith incident, I said, you know what, let's go big. Let's try the full 48 color set from Gallo. So that's the story behind it. Okay, now let's go to the unboxing. So the set comes beautifully packaged and you will get inside the box 48 handmade half pan with hand painted labels, a professional watercolor tin with 2 mixing areas, a color chart printed on arches called press paper, and mop brush size 0. Gallo watercolor are handmade in Italy. They are crafted using raw pigments, gum arabic, local honey, and rosemary essential oil. No cadmium, cobalt, lead, or mercury, which is great if you are looking for cleaner, safer paints. Let me give you a moment of silence to just enjoy the beauty of these colors as I unwrap them and begin swatching. By the way, what do you all do with the beautiful wrapping paper these pans come in? I feel bad throwing them away, so let me know in the comments if you have any creative ideas. While unwrapping, I noticed one of the color Puff Titanium was already in my natural set, so I started checking and realized I have 5 duplicates colors. So here is what I'm going to do. Giveaway! I'm doing a little giveaway. I will be passing along these 5 duplicates pans to one of you. All you have to do is comment below and tell me, have you tried Gallo watercolors before? And what is your favorite watercolor from any brand? I will randomly pick a winner and announce it next week. I will also include a few extra goodies in your package. Now, back to the swatching. I will be using the included Arches swatch card, as well as their brushes and my personal swatch journal, so I can see how they behave on different paper texture. The names of the colors will be in the description box below. Also, I discovered that the new two colors, they are not in the full set, so I will be adding them to my natural palette, to complete the entire set, since, I already removed some duplicates from there. Here is a closer look at my swatch journal. The colors are vibrant, beautifully pigmented, and have a matte or non-shiny finish. Some colors granulate really nice, and I didn't expect that. And when you spray the pans with water to activate them, you will notice a very lovely herbal scent from the rosemary oil. It's such a unique and calming touch. If you are interested in more details like pigment numbers or Lightfastness rating, I will leave that info in the description box below. Personally, I'm not too obsessed with that data, but I know some of you are. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and letting me share this unboxing experience. Don't forget to leave a comment to enter the giveaway. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor content and art adventure. Until next time, keep painting, keep playing, and do not let your kids near your Daniel Smith.